So viewers, first of all open AutoCAD. As I am using AutoCAD 2007 version, it doesn't matter which version are you using, whether it is 21, 22, 2007 or any version, the process is quite similar. Okay. Now for unit settings, simply type UN on keyboard and press enter. I repeat, simply type UN on keyboard and press enter. Okay. Now this dialog box is the whole story. Okay. So first of all, if I am using feet and inches. Okay. Now for feet and inches, first we have length type and length precision. Okay, for feet and inches the length type would be architectural. You have to select it to architectural, whereas precision would be 1/8 inch, or you can change it to 1/16 inch. Both are correct. Okay, so this is the length type and precision type in case of feet and inches. Now move to angle type. Okay, now in case of feet and inches, the angle type would be degree, minute and second. Okay, in case of feet and inches, the angle type would be degree, minute and second, and angle precision would be 0 degree. Okay, I repeat, in case of feet and inches, the angle type would be degree, minute and second, whereas the angle precision would be 0 degree, or you can change into degree, minute and second. So both are correct. Now the most important thing is the insertion scale. Okay, so if you select the insertion scale to feet, it means that when you draw a line in AutoCAD, you don't even need to give a sign to your feet value. Okay, are you getting my point? I repeat, if you select the insertion scale to feet, it means that when you draw a line in AutoCAD, you don't even need to give a sign to your feet value. Sure. Whereas if I select the insertion scale to inches, if you select the insertion scale to inches, it means that when you draw a line in AutoCAD, you don't even need to give a sign to your inches value. Simply type your desired value and press enter. I repeat, if you select the insertion scale to inches, it means that when you draw a line in AutoCAD, you don't even need to give a sign to your inches value. Just type your desired value and press enter. Okay, so this is the concept of feet and inches. Now move to meter or millimeter. Okay, so for meters or millimeters, change the length type to architectural to decimal. Decimal is basically the point value, so we have simply changed the architectural to decimal. And precision would also be 0.0 or 0.000, because our value is in points, so we have changed the length type and precision to a point value. Okay, are you getting my point? Now if I talk about the angle type and angle precision, now the angle type in case of meter or millimeter, the angle type would be decimal degree, because decimal is the word which means a point, so it also clearly shows that we are using millimeter or meter. Okay, now the angle type would be a decimal degree in case of millimeter or meter, and precision would also be 0.0 or 0.000. Okay, because this is the value, meter value would be in points. So now the most important thing is insertion scale. So if you are using the meter or millimeter, then change the insertion scale to millimeter or centimeters or meters or kilometers. So this is all about the required value or desired value, which value are you using. So this is the simple whole concept, that simply what you have to do is to, if you are using feet and inches, then change the length type to architectural. Whereas if you are using meters, millimeters, or anything else, you can change it to decimal. Okay, so I hope viewers this video would be helpful for you. If you like the video, leave a nice comment and press the bell icon for notification. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you very much. Stay blessed, stay safe.